Chapter 1. Overview. Course objectives. 1. Identify sources of bloodborne pathogens. 2. Understand the risks involved when caring for people where you may come into contact with blood. 3. Learn how to clean up blood and blood-containing fluids appropriately. 4. Understand the importance of personal protective equipment, or PPE, for preventing transmission of bloodborne pathogens. 5. Explain how bloodborne pathogens are transmitted. 6. Learn how to avoid exposure to bloodborne pathogens for the use of sharps. 7. Learn how to respond if exposure does occur. 8. Create a core sense of responsibility among participants to prevent future incidents of exposure to bloodborne pathogens. Upon completion of this course, you'll be able to take an active role in reducing bloodborne pathogen transmission in the workplace. While the roles of different employees may have varying levels of patient contact, the potential for exposure to bloodborne pathogens is ever present.